Today we're diving deep into the heart of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, and its unique take on nutrition, far removed from the modern hustle of diets and quick fixes. Picture this, your body, an intricate masterpiece, not just a simple chemical reactor or a pile of gears and levers. TCM teaches us that lumping people into acidic or alkaline categories based on their diet is like trying to fit the ocean into a teacup. It just doesn't hold water. Instead, imagine your body as a landscape, rich and diverse, where the essence of who you are, much like your DNA, remains constant, unaffected by the latest superfood trend. This isn't about chugging lemon water to become more alkaline. It's about understanding how each bite of food interacts with your body's unique ecosystem. TCM brings to the table the concept of the 5 phases, interlinking colors, smells, tastes, animals, cereals, and livestock, each harmonizing with specific organs in your body. It's a symphony, not a solo act. We're told that fats will make us fat, sugars spell diabetes, but TCM sees beyond such simplistic equations. If your inner orchestra, your organs, plays in harmony, the foods you enjoy are absorbed, utilized, and transformed, nourishing every cell without missing a beat. But hit a sour note, be it through stress, erratic eating, or a joyless lifestyle, and your body's melody falters, leading to health disharmony. What's the TCM secret then? A chorus of balanced eating, rhythmic living, and a soulful, joyful existence. As we explore this ancient wisdom, let's embark on a journey to rediscover the art of truly nourishing ourselves, embracing the complexity of our bodies with every joyful, mindful bite. Stick around as we unravel how to tune into your body's needs, crafting a life of harmony, health, and happiness.